For facility and service part, overall during these 5 years, our hotel facility and service level has increased to 100% and now stay in a stable level. Moreover, to keep improving our hotel level, our hotel each quarter will reputate at least 3 facilities, which our reputation level has increased to 97%, which is the highest level compared to other competitors.
Further on, let's talk about the statistics regarding market share. In the end of year 4, our market share stands in 16%, and in the end of year 5, our market share maintains the same level. Next on, let's talk about ADR. In the end of year 4, our ADR stands in 177. In year 5, our ADR has rose to 183. Then let's talk about total occupancy. In the end of year 4, our total occupancy stands in 70.76%. In year 5, we have some small increase, which regarding our market total occupancy increased to 71.96%.
Here in the F&B department, I'm going to talk about the monthly and year-to-date numbers. To start with the food cost of sales, we have it first at 24%, and for the year-to-date it's around 25%. As for the beverage cost of sales, we have it at 15% in both cases, and for the food revenue it's around 400,000, and for the year-to-date is around 4,900,000. As for the beverage revenue is around 74,000, and the year-to-date is around 956,000.
This month in the Human Resources Department, associate engagement is as follows. We have this month and as year-to-date, staffing level we have it at 98%.66 and 95%.05. For competence we have 100% for both cases. In terms of pay we have 81.66 and 81.68% respectively. And for associate facilities we have 97 and 97.
Moving to our sales and marketing department, our advertisement expenses was slightly decreased since last year, which is from 20% to 19%. And last year we found some problems need to be solved, which is our low market share. So from this year we found some change in market share. Our rooms changed from the 5th place to the 3rd place. Our food changed from 3rd place to the 2nd place. And our beverage from 3rd place to the 1st place, which is a very positive change. And for the overall trend for this 5 years in sales and marketing department, which is an upward trend, we slightly increase our marketing and advertisement expenses, and we found very positive performance in this department.
Finally, going to financial part, as a statistic from year 1 to year 5, which shows our GOP is an increasing trend, as you can see from those data, as well for our net profit and ROE. Especially in year 2 and year 3, there was significant increase, as you can see from those numbers, which mainly due to our strategy changed during those 2 years. And then going to year 2 and year 5. The data trend to be more stable but still increased, which means during those 5 years, our performance become better and better. And during the last 2 years, we are keeping the same level of our performance.
Integrity,
Respect, fun,
Creativity,
Innovation,
humility.
Thank you for staying with Hotel King Jordan.